There is much about our world that we still do not understand. Scientists tell us that natural mysteries exist in every corner of the earth. There are things that we simply do not comprehend. Perhaps this is the best way to describe a place in northern Mexico in the middle of the hot, staring, pungent Chihuahua desert. Not far from the Bolson of Mapimi, there is a 50-kilometer area of desert that has earned the name La Zona del Silencio or the Zone of Silence. It lies in the Trino Vertex. This is where the Chihuahua, Durango, and Coahuila states meet, roughly 400 miles south of El Paso, Texas. And they say that there are prominent mountain range borders whose zone on its east side. The Mexican government has since constructed a research complex in the zone, a place the scientists assigned there called the biosphere. And the primary purpose of the research facility is to study the plant and animal life of the unusual region. But rumors said that they have a lot more research going on there that meets the eye. Well, the name given it is because radio waves cannot be transmitted in a normal way, and this occurs only in some small areas because there are magnetic fields. In the early 1970s, a NASA artifact called Athenas fell in the region due to a malfunction, and its search lasts several weeks. And they say that despite technical efforts of the radar devices and people used, did not provide like any important data. Finally, they found it and take it, including several tons of sand, arguing that it was contaminated, but a local investigate and discover a special point. He said that radio waves can't reach until that point. The truth is that the area is in effect an ecological reserve to protect the species set in the desert climate, which in some cases are unique and in danger of extinction. Also, there are no mutants, but this occurs, for example, with the Mapimi tortoise, the largest in North America, or with the purple nopal, a species of cactus native to this area, which acquires the color in the dry season. Like vegetation, animals undergo special adaptations that allow them to live in the adverse conditions of this arid region. They say that the zone of silence is frequently compared to Bermuda Triangle, the pyramids of Egypt, or the holy cities of Tibet, all located between the 26 and 28 parallels. It is said that just on the other side of the world, somewhere in Tibet or Nepal, there is an area with the same characteristics, which is why the area is considered as a pole or cone where terrestrial energy is concentrated. So, do you think the coincidence exists? Can you think of any other theory that explains unusual events?